Shenzhen Omni Intelligent Technology Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise specializing in researching and developing various kind of IoT solutions. Covers an area of 6,000 square meters. We have more than 200 employees with 50 PPL software and hardware senior engineers as well as over a 30 PPL professional marketing team. Focusing on R&D, integrated ID/MD design, production, sales and service in one of the high-tech enterprises that already set up a completely and strictly ISO 9001 quality control system, provide customers with superior quality products and professional technical solutions. Core technologies include high-precision detection sensors and algorithms, wireless connectivity networking, GPS/Beidou positioning, remote control and data collection, research and development robots, core components in industrial and agricultural fields, software and hardware, app and cloud server systems development, as well as AI big data analysis applications. Through connectivity, positioning, sensing, and remotely controlled technologies, we can provide completely customized development services. Being an IoT core technology solutions provider, all of our products compliance with CE, RoHS. We have acquired more than 200 invention patents and successively achieved China High-Tech Enterprises, China Innovation Enterprises and other honors. Our products and services are widely used among 122 countries in core fields, such as micro-urban mobility, smart home, smart campus, intelligent lighting, smart security, etc. Micromobility solutions. As an important method of short-distance transportation, micromobility solves the last 1 mile travel problems. Considering multiple perspectives, Omni solves the problems of the complex processes, high maintenance cost, and poor user experience. It makes micromobility more intelligent, allowing more and more people to enjoy the traveling with a convenient and environment-friendly way. Micromobility solutions for e-bike. Omni Smart e-bike sharing solution combining IoT hardware and software system, GPS intelligent positioning, real-time control of vehicle status, implementation of GEO fences, standardized user parking, effective management of vehicles, reducing maintenance costs, improving travel experience, and making cycling safer and more convenient. Micromobility solutions for scooter. Omni's one-stop urban mobility solution by scanning code to unlock, locked charging automatically. Remotely obtain vehicle location, battery level, gear speed, etc. Greatly solve the last mile problems. Micromobility solutions for bicycle. Scan QR code to start riding, end riding, and return bike to certain parking areas. Bike sharing system provides an affordable and universal solution to shorten urban commutes. It incarnates a new kind of healthy and dynamic lifestyle, reduces traffic jam in urban areas, and helps to improve urban design through big data analysis. Micromobility solutions for e-moped. Omni EV one-stop solution, equipped with a smart display, IoT, parking sensor, and battery lock as well as software system. Omni Smart Systems will help customers determine different scenarios, such as riding, parking, or charging, etc. Improve customers' travel experience easier and safer. Charging station solution. High-power charging. Charging immediately after parking. Omni can provide a variety of fixed-point parking charging solutions, such as wireless, contact, wireless charging cable locks. Software solution. Our software solutions can be applied to sharing, rental individuals, and provide real-time positioning functions. Amazing riding interface. Scan the QR code to time the riding, automatically charge the fare after the riding finished. Viewing the riding track in the app, you can perform vehicle monitoring, management, remote control from backend management system. Omni Smart Horseshoe Lock equipped with basic functions such as 4G, Bluetooth, GPS, etc. It can adapt to different vehicle models and scenarios. Support multiple unlocking methods, such as app, Bluetooth, server backend, RFID card swiping unlock. Dual-band high-precision positioning, built-in 8000 mAh battery, waterproof IPX7 and aluminum alloy material with strong damage resistance. IoT devices. According to the needs of global markets, Omni has developed the first-generation Max IoT suitable for sharing scooters, which can monitor battery levels, anti-theft alarms, report faults, real-time positioning, calculate mileage and lights control. On the basis of the self-developed O113 IoT, to meet the needs of global bike sharing industry, a number of new IoT have been iterated, such as M136 and M128 IoT. More fashionable shapes are applying matching to different models at will. The new lot adopts multi-module high-precision GPS inertial navigation, real-time tracking, supports local GEO fence, configured with Bluetooth beacon standardization parking, IPX7 waterproof level, high-definition voice broadcast, 1000 mAh, 8000 mAh battery optional, ultra-low power consumption, support 5V72V range. Accessories: OL419 cable lock, first generation helmet lock, battery lock, Bluetooth beacon linked with IoT to achieve automatic opening, closing the lock. Suitable for various application scenarios, such as sharing a bike, bicycles, scooters. 2-in-1 helmet lock. The newly second generation helmet lock supports both helmet and cable lock, with a compact and innovative design that is easy to install, durable and reliable. To see product solution. 4G HD display. 4G smart display are launching into market with 4G Bluetooth connectivity, built-in high-precision GPS chips, and mobile phone mapping map navigation. Multiple communication methods available for UART, CAN, 485. Bluetooth horseshoe lock. Exquisite and compact, used for bicycle security, with built-in rechargeable lithium battery, built-in solar panel, ensure endurance. RFID, app dual unlocking methods, with a legal movement alarm, convenient and safe. Bluetooth cable lock. Beautiful and elegant, it can be used for bicycle security. The app controls unlocking and can share with friends, families. Equipped with a legal movement alarm, built-in rechargeable lithium battery, support 90 days standby time. GPS tracker. Our product with timing tracking, power off reminder, overspeed, vibration alarm, oil circuit detection, OTA upgrade, GEO fence, and precise positioning. Smart taillight. C1 smart taillights, remote control, warning light mode, turn left and right, brake highlight, laser safe riding distance. T-shaped, O-shaped taillights adopt high transparency light beads, automatically highlight when braking. Support 4 light modes to ensure your safety traveling. Multi-function front light. Omni's new headlights, 300 lumens high brightness, 120-degree ultra-wide angle lighting, Type-C charging, easy installation. Shenzhen Omni Intelligent Technology Company Limited deeply defines the Internet of Everything with the core technology of the Internet of Things. We are committing to be the world's leading IoT solutions provider. Always adheres to the core technologies and best service, and creates global smart travel, smart home, lighting, city, and other high-quality products. Connecting everything and improving life with technology. Welcome to visiting our website for more information.